Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. This one's quite tough, so be careful. So sketch this in 3D. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, Y is in play, Z is in play, X is not in play. So later on, we need to drag it in the in the X direction. But first, let's try and sketch this. So reimagine this as being, well, because it's written like this. Let's reimagine this as, remember, X is not in play, so discard the X-axis in your mind and visualize it like this: Y and Z. So in your mind, visualize this. You're trying to sketch this, but the problem is this is Z here. In the verticals are Z, but now we want to visualize it so that this is vertical. The y-axis is vertical. So what's happening is you discard this in your mind, but then you would need to look at it in this direction. So this is your head here. So this is you looking at it straight on. So the vertical would be y. So this will be your y, and this is your right hand will be here. So your right hand would be here. So this would be Z in the positive direction. So looking at it, your head would be here. This will be your right hand, your left hand. So this will be your right hand, your left hand. So you're looking at it from the back. I hope you can follow this. So because we need it so that Y is the vertical, Z is the horizontal, so that we can easily sketch this. So sine will look something like this. Hang on, let me just type this up. So sine. So once it's written like this, we can easily sketch sine graph. The sine graph will look like this. Will look like this. So let's try and sketch it. So it will look like this. It will look like this. And then now extend it in the negative direction. Oops. Extend it into the negative direction, it will look like this. So extend it into the negative direction. So hang on. Extend into the negative direction, it will look something like this. Okay, and now we need to drag it in the X direction. So this point will get dragged over to here. This point will get dragged over to here. So you end up with like a sheet of metal that looks like a snake. So it's weaving in and out. It's going to look messy if I draw it, but it's going to look like well, once you've got this, drag it in the X direction.